In the quiet coastal city of Akashi, Japan, stands a small yet deeply evocative home, a renovation that transforms a 50-year-old structure into something intimate, organic, and timeless. Designed by Akio Isshiki Architects, the house in Akashi spans just 77 square meters, but within its compact form lies a rich tapestry of memory, light, and craftsmanship. It's not merely a renovation, it's a rediscovery of space, sound, and time. The inspiration came unexpectedly. When the architect stepped into the finished house, he was reminded of a seashell, a familiar childhood memory of holding a shell to one's ear and hearing the ocean's echo. That moment of wonder became the home's quiet metaphor. Like the inner curves of a seashell, the design wraps around its occupants, creating a world that feels both enclosed and infinite. Isshiki didn't begin this project with a strict concept. Instead, he allowed intuition and practicality to guide him. As each decision unfolded, whether addressing structure, cost, or comfort, the design evolved naturally. This organic process led to the creation of soft geometries, curved walls that hide utility lines, low ceilings with semicircular cutouts, and sliding doors repurposed from traditional fusuma panels. Each element, born from adaptation, contributes to a larger sense of harmony. Light and privacy were key challenges. The home sits within a lively neighborhood, so the design balances openness with intimacy. Shoji screens filter sunlight into a delicate glow, wrapping the rooms in a soft atmosphere that changes throughout the day. When the sliding doors open, the spaces connect in a continuous loop, forming a fluid, labyrinth-like interior that invites exploration. Walking through feels like tracing the spirals of a seashell itself. The fusion between the old and new is subtle and intentional. The original log beams and tilted wooden frames were preserved, their deep patina carrying 50 years of family life. These aged textures now coexist with modern curves and the freeform shapes of the owner's furniture. The result is a dialogue between eras, one that softens the modern edges and restores a sense of warmth and familiarity. Attention to detail extends to every surface. The reused sliding doors now carry fresh layers of washi paper and reclaimed chest handles, blending past and present seamlessly. Sunlight passes through the shoji and louvered openings, painting gentle gradients on the curved walls before fading into shadow. It's a quiet choreography of light, a living reminder that time and space are always in motion. Open the windows, and the home breathes. The sounds of the seaside town flow through the sea breeze, distant ship horns, birdsong, even the daily 5 o'clock chime. These sounds, along with light and air, weave into the fabric of the house, creating a sensory landscape that changes with every hour. Here, architecture becomes less about structure and more about atmosphere, about how a home can hold and reflect life itself. Akio Ishiki's house in Akashi is more than an architectural project, it's a meditation on memory, sound, and impermanence. It reminds us that a home can be both a vessel and an echo, filled with traces of the past yet open to the flow of time. Just as Jean Cocteau once wrote, "My ear is a seashell that loves the sound of the sea." In this small house, that sentiment lives on, a gentle harmony between architecture and the poetry of everyday life.